I love my holystone HS280 drone. It's super easy to set up. You just basically plug and play without the plug. Pull out the propeller arms. The large ones go first. Find a safe area with a lot of space to put your drone down to give it plenty of room to fly. Make sure that the camera is facing away from you. Press the power on button, which is right at the back of the top of the drone. Open the transmitter. Press the power button to turn the transmitter on. And the LED light is flashing. Once you do that, then you want to pair the drone. Simply press this up and down. Then you want to calibrate the drone. And calibrating the drone, you will see the light on the drone come on. It'll flash several times, and the propellers are ready to go. Once your drone is paired and calibrated, then you want to go ahead and start your engine. Press the one touch up button. And your drone is in the air. The right controller makes the drone go right and left. You want the drone to go right, you simply press the controller right. If you want the drone to go left, you simply press the controller left on the transmitter. When you're ready to land your drone, you can simply use the one touch button and it lands beautifully. The camera function on this is amazing. You're absolutely going to love it. Total fun for you and your family. The holystone HS280 drone. Great time to use it for your family, your children, your nephews, your aunts, your uncles, all of your relatives. And let's see if I can land it right back on the spot it was on. Let's see here. Bring it down, down, over, down.